Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. You are with your English trainer Alisher. Today our topic is finite and non-finite verbs. These are very important for beginners and advanced level students. First of all, the definition of finite verbs. Finite verbs show tense, person and number. For example, how it shows tense. He eats an apple. He ate an apple. Now see the examples carefully and attentively that he eats an apple is the present tense. He ate an apple is the past tense. How it shows person or numbers. He plays a piano. They play a piano. He plays a piano, it means he is the singular subject. That's why we use plays. They is a plural subject. That's why we use play. So eats, ate, plays, play. All are finite verbs. And finite verbs are bound to the tense, persons and number as well. Now keep in your mind that finite verbs act as a verb, act as the main verb of a class, indicate person, number and tense, are used in any tense, appear in dependent and independent clauses as well. You can see above sentences according to these rules and keep all the rules in your mind, and you can differentiate, you can sort out the finite verbs from the sentences very easily. The second definition, non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs do not show tense, person or number. You must know about the non-finite verb that they are not bound to the tense, person or number. Non-finite verbs are gerund, infinitive, participles. Gerund V1 plus ing, infinitive to plus V1. Participles, present participle, past participle. Example, smoking is injurious to health. Now smoking is a non-finite verb. That is gerund smoking. It is used as a subject and works as the noun. The second sentence, I want to watch a movie. To watch is the non-finite verb and it is an infinitive. In the third sentence, she saw me cooking rice. Cooking rice is present participle. I changed a broken chair. I changed a broken chair. Broken chair, the non-finite verb, that is the past participle. In the last, you must keep in your mind that non-finite verbs can be nouns, adjectives and adverbs. See in the above sentence, I want to watch a movie. If I say I wanted to watch a movie, whenever you change any tense or any subject, just as I say I wanted means I change tense, but it doesn't affect the non-finite verb to watch. It will remain the same. If I say she wants to watch a movie, I change the number, I change the subject, then you can see it will remain the same to watch a movie. So keep all types of rules of non-finite verbs in your mind. I hope you might have understood my lecture. Keep practicing, share my videos with your friends and relatives. If you are new one, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting my new videos. Allah Hafiz.